So I think I left you off about here, but this is what's happened since. So I've just received this lovely stone vase, and this is going to be going on the top of the stairs. As you've seen, I've been doing my staircase, so this is the lovely vase that's going to go there. I'm just hoping it's all intact. It just got delivered. I can't wait to show you because I just think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I just can't wait to get this open. So it's from this company, and it's called the Cheshire, the Gift Company. So I can leave details of them down below. But yeah, they are a small business, and if you use this code here, return 10 at the checkout, you can get 10% off any future orders. Oh, it's got all this in here. Oh, it's exactly how it looked in the picture, which is great. So let me just get this out. And here it is. And it is lovely. It's made of stone. And I just love the texture of it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It looks really authentic looking, and I just really like that vase. And I think it's going to look even better when it's on the stairs. So I'm going to show you that. Yeah, so let's get going with it. So as you can see, I painted the staircase all nice and white. I think I still need to do a few more coats over here. I will show you the paint that I'm using actually. I've got some paint sheets here, so excuse that. But this is the paint that I'm painting the stairs. And let's get it. It's a Ronseal, and it's a diamond hard floor paint in the white satin. I've heard some reviews about it because it's quite a watery based paint, but if you do a couple of coats, and that's what they said, if you do like 3 or 4 coats, trust it will come up whiter, and it has. But I think this side I need to do a few more because I did this one obviously so that this was dry so I can go up and down the stairs. So I need to do a few more coats on this side to match that side. You see that's more solid than that one. So anyway, I want to show you the vase at the top of the stairs and how it looks. So there it is there. So let's go up. There it is. I'm really happy with it. And what I did was I put some of the dried pampas in there in like a neutral tone. And I just think it looks really nice. And I don't want to put too much. And I think just one little thing can make a big difference on the stairs. But yeah, and I've done all the panelling here and you can see that. Okay, so I want to show you the landing, and as you can see, it has this really patterned carpet running through, which was great because it's very good carpet and you can get a lot of wear out of it. And if you have any leakage or something or spillage or discoloration, you can't really notice it. So what I want to do, because as you can see, I've painted the staircase all lovely and white now, and it had that carpet running down the middle. It's all gone, and what I want to do here is I actually want to just paint this white flowing from the stairs upwards and just paint it all white. Get these in some new don't know what you call this stuff, but this that you get between the doors and the flooring, maybe cap it here and then just get something black now because all the handles are black, and do that same process with the bathroom and the spare bedroom over there. But paint it white with the floor paint that I showed you, and then maybe get a nice rug in the center, kind of like adhesive it down so obviously it doesn't come up and there aren't any accidents. And yeah, and I think it would just look nice. I think it would brighten up the place and it would just look nice, and it will kind of like take it back to a cottage looking theme, and that's basically what I want to do with the whole of this house. So first things first, taking up the carpet, and then once I've done that, then that's it. I've committed to this job and I have to finish it. But it's summertime now. Best time to do jobs, I feel, is in the summer. And I'm just going to show you some pictures for inspiration. It's always good to look at some ideas so it gives you an idea of what the finishing result will look like. So what I'm going to do here is where there are gaps in the original floorboards, I'm going to fill them with some wood filler. So I got this, I can leave a link down for this in Amazon. It's already pre-done, just fill in those gaps, and then when that's all dry again, I will do another coat of paint. So the banister I wasn't completely happy with, and also the stair rail. So what I did was I stripped it all back, all the paint, put some Ornate on it, and then I started to get it back to its original colour, and then I stained it a dark wood colour, which is nice and rich. And then I decided to get some new frames. This is a lovely ornated one I got from Amazon, and if they still have them, I'll leave the link down below because they are absolutely stunning. I love the ornate detail, excellent quality, and they do different sizes. So I actually got very large sizes, and the prints that I got were from Etsy, and there were lovely prints of sea views, just lovely, an escape picture. And look at the ornate on this frame, just check out the detail, exquisite, beautiful. These are the prints, they're like canvas prints, and I just love the pictures. I'm very much into nautical, I'm very much into lighthouses, boats, the sea. So these canvases are of excellent quality. The colours are vibrant. I cannot wait to get them in the ornated frames, put them into the landing, and get to see what that end result looks like. So I want to show you what the landing looks like at the moment. So I've taken all of the old pictures off. So yes, I'm going to be putting the 3 pictures: landscape, a portrait, and then a portrait on that wall over there. I also got as well for the landing a Moroccan checkerboard rug, which I absolutely adore, as you can see here in the background while I'm sorting out my picture frames. I got that from Etsy. So I've just put them up exactly where I want them to go, and I'm very happy with the layout. So we're going to have some 3 lovely pictures up there. I also want to say that I also brought a lovely wicker basket ottoman for my laundry for the landing, which I'll show you in a moment. But yes, let's get those pictures in and let's see how this is going to help the stairs and landing look exactly how I want it to look. So yeah, can't wait to get those pictures in.